Hey, Bart. I just wanted to give you guys a call and let y'all know that working with you guys was one of the best service experiences that we've ever had. Every interaction from very first phone call to installation to the follow-up, all top-notch, professional, and genuine. Appreciated the tremendous concern and urgency for resolving our HVAC issue, and was delivered with fast and great value. If there was such a thing as a business crush, then I would definitely have one for you guys. I would refer you to anyone, and you have our business for life.